Looking for a reliable way to power all your devices without the clutter? This power strip with high-speed USB ports offers a simple, compact solution. With 3 surge-protected AC outlets and 2 fast-charging USB ports delivering 2.1A combined, it's designed to keep your laptop, phone, camera, and more fully charged from a single station. Its compact size and wall-mountable design make it perfect for both home and travel. No more tangled cords or searching for extra outlets. Whether you're at your workstation or on the go, this portable charging station provides easy access to power for smartphones, tablets, and other devices, all housed in a durable, damage-resistant casing built to last. Space is never an issue here. The power strip features a 360-degree rotating AC plug, letting you plug it in any wall socket effortlessly. Plus, the widely spaced outlets accommodate bulky plugs without blocking adjacent sockets. Just press the button under the plug to swivel it where you need, giving you flexibility in tight spaces. Safety is a priority with this surge protector. Rated at 918 joules, it shields your valuable electronics from overloads, short circuits, power spikes, and even lightning strikes. That means your computers, gaming consoles, home theaters, and appliances get reliable protection against unexpected electrical surges or fluctuations. Beyond the features, this product comes with peace of mind. It includes a limited lifetime warranty and a $75,000 connected equipment warranty, so you can trust it to safeguard your devices. With specs like 36,000 A maximum spike amperage and 3-prong swivel plug, it's built for dependable, long-term use. If you're tired of juggling chargers and searching for open outlets, this power strip is worth a look. It streamlines your charging setup, cuts down on clutter, and keeps everything powered safely and efficiently. Plus, the ability to rotate the plug adds convenience you won't find in many other models. Top reviews from users across the United States praise its versatility and design. Many highlight how the swivel plug fits perfectly in tight spots, like under mirrors or behind furniture, making it a smart choice for any room or travel bag. Ready to upgrade your charging station? This compact power strip with surge protection and fast USB ports delivers what you need: space-saving design, safety, and convenience all in one. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free power for all your devices.